We're going to be reviewing this camera. It's an IP camera, and I'm going to be showing you how it works as well as reviewing the quality so that you don't have to make mistakes. Okay, so for this reason you should subscribe. So this is the box it comes with, and this is how it came in the box. It came with this and this. So this, you have to plug it in here, and then here you're going to have to stick it to a wall, and you have to peel this away, I guess. I hope I'm not spoiling this. Yeah, it's gluey, so what is behind is kind of sticky, so you have to use it to stick to a wall. You have to peel this first, but I'm not ready to peel it first yet because I would like to return it if it doesn't work. So I'm just going to peel off this surface, and this is how it looks like. So I tried doing this yesterday, but my camera was moving every which way. So today I'm going to complete the video. And yeah, so we're going to be starting with reading the instructions because we have to follow the instructions. It says the first step is to scan this QR code to download the app. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. So now I'm going to install it. So now it has been downloaded. Now it's saying I should add device, and you have to give it permission. So I'm going to go and give it permission. Allow. So the next step is select or enter the Wi-Fi account you want to use and fill in the password. So if you don't give it permission to search for nearby devices, it will not work. So the problem was that I didn't turn this on, which I've done now. That's why the blue light blinked. I also gave it permission to find this. After that, I turn on my Bluetooth. So it's turning on and turning off, so I decided to charge it. It came with its own charger, but it's not long enough, so I'm using mine, and I'm just going to plug it in here. And look, it has turned red, so that means it's charging. So my major problem now is that this device, some of the things are in Chinese. When it's blinking like this, that is when it is easy to connect. If you turn it on, it blinks like 1, 2, 3, like the pace of the blinking is not as fast as this. So when the blue is blinking this fast, that's when it's easy to turn on. So now you select the Wi-Fi password, the Wi-Fi you want to use on the app's password. Then go to next step, confirmed. And now it's connecting the mini video camera. Now you have to select or enter your device name. In the installation guide, you say if you install the camera outwards, please use the outdoor mount bracket. It is recommended to install the camera at the height of 2 to 3 meters. Avoid pointing the camera at close range to walls and glasses. Okay, completed. It says device offline. So it finally came online, and how I was able to do it was to turn it off, turn it on again, and make sure this blue light is stable. You know, initially when it was connecting, it was blinking, but now that it's stable, it means it's online, I guess. That was what worked for me. I'm not saying that is how it is, but that was how it worked for me. So maybe you should try it too, because I'm also trying to figure it out. So now I'm going to use this to, you know, put it on the wall. And the good thing about this is that you can rotate it anyhow you want. So you can put the camera in the position you want it to be. So now I'm going to just stick it. And I think this sticker, we have to get rid of it. So this is how it looks like, and I have to stick it somewhere. So I'm going to stick it here now. It has stuck there. I think it's too close to the wall, but let me change the angle to somewhere. Here. It's saying no SD card, so I guess I have to put SD card in it, but I don't want to because I'm just trying out the app. But anyways, in conclusion, it actually works. The quality is not that great, but it's clear enough for you to see whoever entered into your room. And it doesn't last that long, I was told. It just lasts like an hour, and you have to charge it. So if you want it to stay consistently, like if you want it to stay on consistently, you have to plug a charger in it. So you can, if you can hang it in a place where you can use an extension, like I can use this extension here, I can use this this place to plug it in and charge it. I use an extension to connect it there, and it will stay on continuously if you're interested in that. Personally, I'm not interested in using this. Nobody's coming to steal. My room is my room has the least things in this house, okay? And in the app, you can use it to take videos or screenshots for your phone, and you can play back the video just in case maybe you saw something wrong or you saw something right and you want to play it back. You can do that. Let me switch this off, but basically it works. So if you want to buy it, I would recommend it. The quality is not that great, but it does the job. So I have other reviews like this. If you're interested, check this out. And if you're interested in studying in the Netherlands as an international student, I have an ebook guide as well as a playlist. So everything will be linked in the description box if you're interested. Until I come your way next time, I remain your one and only Jessica Okolie. Bye. Mwah.